In this video, we're looking at 3 very common English mistakes. The first one is if it will rain. Before we start, get your free grammar booklet from the link in the video description and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So the first mistake, if it will rain, we will stay at home. A lot of English learners make this mistake. This is a conditional sentence. We can't have the word will after if. Instead, we need the present simple. If it rains, we will stay at home. So this is the first conditional. The condition is the rain, and the second part of the sentence is what will happen if this condition happens. So if it rains, we will stay at home. The present simple in the first part after if, and will in the second part of the sentence. I've got more videos about conditionals on my channel and also inside my English grammar program, so check out the link in the video description as well. The next mistake is to do with the phrase a few people. This phrase is actually correct, but sometimes English learners use it incorrectly. So look at these two. A few people, few people. Both are correct, but there is a big difference between them. A few people means several people. There were a few people at the party. There were several people at the party. There were few people at the party. The meaning here is very different. It means there weren't many people at all. Maybe 2 or 3. There were very few people at the party. So a few is several. It has quite a positive or a neutral meaning, and few people has more of a negative meaning. It means not many. And the next mistake is how some English learners use the phrase on time, because sometimes what they need is in time. Both of them are correct, but they have different meanings, and you need to make sure you use those phrases in the right situation. So when you're on time, it means you're not late. I arrived at the party on time. I wasn't late. I was supposed to be there at 7 and I got there at 7. So I was not late. I was on time. But sometimes you actually need in time instead. In time means that you got somewhere and there was still some time left to do something. For example, I got to the party in time to have some food. So there was still some time left to do something, to eat. The phrase in time isn't really to do with punctuality, whether you were late or not. We have the phrase on time for that. In time is just about arriving early enough that there is still some time left to do something. Did you find this video useful? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to get your free grammar booklet from the video description. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!